Hey y'all, Roshan here with Camille Beckman. Today we're going over my skincare routine. We're doing this video thanks to a question on our Instagram from Natalie. You guys, if you have any questions about skincare or you want to know more, please feel free to shoot your questions down below or send them to us on Instagram so that we can be sure to answer them here on our channel. I'm really excited to share this routine with you because I was the original person who helped develop this line. We've been getting requests for many years to do a skincare line with Camille Beckman, and it's taken us probably 4 to 6 years-ish to come out with this collection because we wanted everything to be perfect before we did. There were a few different ways we could approach this, either launching a bunch of products because we had so many different ideas, or keeping it really concise. The way we decided to roll this collection out was by keeping the line really concise and small so that it would have just enough products to reflect the needs of every woman and every skin type. So with that being said, I'm gonna go into my routine, how I use these products, why I use these products, and tell you my favorite parts about them. If you don't know much about oil cleansing, I suggest you check out the other oil cleansing video on our channel so you can learn more about how to do it properly. Typically, I don't wear a lot of makeup on the day-to-day. I just wear eyebrow makeup and something on my lips, something under my eyes. So for that reason, I love oil cleansing. Typically, I'll use our sweet orange and jojoba oil cleanser, and at nighttime, I'll just take a couple pumps of that and I will start to rub it through my face, all the way up my nose, across my forehead, over my eyes, into my eyebrows, to really just get all of the dirt, debris, makeup, anything that's on my skin off. If I have a lot of makeup on, I will go ahead and use our Jasmine and Honey Cream Cleanser. And once or twice a week, if I need an exfoliating pick-me-up, I'll go ahead and use our Walnut Shell and Cacao Exfoliating Cleanser to really add a brightening effect to the skin and help take off any dead skin or debris. So all three of those cleansers have different purposes, but the reason why I love all of them is because they're made without harsh detergents. All of our cleansers are made for people who want super soft skin, but who also have sensitivities or who don't want to use harsh chemicals on their skin. My second favorite product is our hydration mist. One of the reasons why I love our hydration mist so much is because of how simple the formula is. Even though it's just 2 ingredients, it took us a long time to get to the perfect amounts of balancing these two. A lot of formulas on the market have alcohol, parabens, polysorbate, all kinds of unnecessary preservatives and fillers in order to make a robust product. This is a super clean formula. All it has in it is rosewater and California lemon essential oil. So it's really simple, really refreshing. It has a more unique smell than most rosewaters you'll find, and it's a really nice toner that has a lot of additional uses. But it's also just a super pure and refreshing take on a formula that we all love. Yes. I spray it on as a simple toner after I cleanse my skin, and I also carry it in my bag with me and keep it at my desk. Anytime I feel tired or overwhelmed, I just spray it and it really helps refresh, pick up the skin and senses. Next, once or twice a week, I want to do an intensive peel. For that, I will typically use Moon Juice's exfoliating acid potion, or like I suggested in one of our previous videos, just a lemon if I don't have any left, or I'll use our pumpkin and turmeric resurfacing mask from Camille Beckman. If I'm using the acid potion, I just pour a couple drops onto my hand and gently dab it over my face. If I'm using a lemon, I just cut it in half, take 1/2 of the lemon and gently blot it on my face. Both of these techniques are going to give you a slight tingling sensation, which is basically the acid eating away the skin. If I'm using our pumpkin and turmeric mask, I liberally will put it on my finger and just coat the skin in it with a nice heavy layer. And then I will leave this on anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. It just depends on you and how long you want it on. It'll have a really nice heating or cooling effect depending on your skin and how it reacts. And when I'm all done, I will either rinse that off with water, or if it's not coming off or there's any stubborn or sticky spots, I will go ahead and use our Daily Radiance Cleansing Cream to help take the excess off. Last thing, I finish my skincare routine exactly how I started it. I get out the restoration oil, 2 pumps, put it all over your face. I use that in place of a cream. I personally have been using oils for the last 2 years to clean my face, my mouth, my hair, my gums, pretty much everything that you can use oil for. I've been experimenting with, I've found great success, and for that reason I've stopped wearing traditional face creams and I've really focused on oils. If you're wanting a slightly more potent serum, I suggest the Cell Serum by Living Libations. This is a really nice serum infused with turmeric and cinnamon, so it's got a nice spice to it that actually helps continuously keep the skin bright over time. It's one of my favorites, and it's probably the best serum that I've found on the market. Until we make one. LOL. So thank you guys for watching. That's my skincare routine. We'd love to know yours. We'll also be sure to show you other skincare routines in the future. If you have any questions, please comment below and be sure to subscribe to the Camille Beckman channel for more content like this.